All right, y'all, hopefully you just saw me launch them bombs to my friend Marshon. Did you think I was gonna do it?
Man, I knew you was gonna do it.
You knew I was gonna do it.
Danos.
That's because I eat Danos every day. What's your favorite thing to put Danos on so far?
Chicken all day, every day.
All day, every day. Well, you guys, this has been so fun coming out here meeting with Marshon. We're so happy to have him as a part of the team. What do you think about this Danos sponsorship?
It's just a great opportunity, both local. You know, we started from the bottom and now we're here.
Now we're here.
Yes, sir.
I'd say it's been a dang good day. What do you think?
I think it's fantastic.
Like Dano-mite?
Like,
You damn right?
damn right.
You speaking my damn language.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's been fun. Said hut. That's what I was looking for.
Yum, yum, get you some.
I'm ready to play some football now.